Hey everybody, this is Maggie's Razz for the mini fridge. We have 20 spots. It won a spot. We're going live at 5:20. Turn 5:21. We're going to roll the dice 4 high. We have an 8. Here we go, 8 times. 5:21. 7th time, we have me on the top. Fatima on bottom. We randomized it 7 times. Dice calls for an 8. Here we go, final time at 5:21. Good luck, everybody. And Joe Dickens is the winner with spot 1. Congratulations. We have 20 names on the list. We randomized it 8 times. The dice does call for an 8. And we are done. Final timestamp 5:21. Congratulations, winner, and thanks everybody for helping us fill for Maggie.